Now we have with us in the studio Advocate Sanjeev Ponalekar. He's speaker and advisor of the Sanatan Sanstha. He believes that what is going on is appropriate. Suhail Seth thinks this is bizarre. Sudhir Telang is a well-known cartoonist. He has a cartoon for every occasion. Maybe he has one for this as well. Madhukar Jaitley ji, thank you very much. He's an advisor to the government of Uttar Pradesh in the externally aided projects department. He is minister rank. Mr. Jaitley, can I begin by asking you, because you are representing the government of Uttar Pradesh. Can you hear me, Mr. Jaitley?
Yes, very well.
No, so the question is, Mr. Jaitley, that if tomorrow another sannyasi comes to you and says, I have a dream that under the Vidhan Sabha of Lucknow there is another 1,000 tons of gold, you'll start digging?
No, let me tell you, please don't mislead ourselves. Let us not mislead ourselves. The decision to do the excavation was not taken by the state government at all.
So now you are washing your hands off. So, but who's digging there? Who's digging there?
No, the Archaeological Survey of India is doing this.
No, but you sent a person there. I am told that the government of Uttar Pradesh sent a person holding a Minister of State portfolio, was sent by the Chief Minister to speak to the sannyasi who had the dream.
No, it's absolutely, I deny this. I completely deny this, number one.
No, how can you deny it?
Nobody, first of all, there is nobody.
How can you deny it? Because this person, who is Sunil Yadav?
I cannot tell you whether that person spoke what was sent by the government of UP.
No, one second. Akhilesh Yadav sent Sunil Yadav, who's an advisor in the Dairy Development Department and holds a Minister of State portfolio. He met Shobhan Sarkar, who is the person who had the dream. Am I right?
No, I cannot say that because this is completely unfounded and untrue. Let me tell you the facts. First, let me tell you the facts.
But no, what's it? Naresh Agarwal said that if the gold is found, it will be the state government's property. So not only are you in consultations with the person who has the dream, you are also claiming the right of ownership to what is found under the fort.
No. It's all something which has not yet been discovered. How can you claim some right which has not yet been discovered?
So exactly what I'm telling you. How can you deny what is going on? One second. Because you are doing this. And I had actually been... No, 1 second. Please realize, sir. No. You can't say no.
Sir, now let me tell
sir,
you
this Shobhan Sarkar writes a letter to your government. In his letter, he dreams, and to the viewers of Newsa, please take this seriously. In his letter, he dreams that Raja Rao asked him to hand over the hidden treasure to the Indian government. And he says, Amar Shahid Rao ki divangat atma इस संपूर्ण स्वर्ण भंडार को भारत सरकार के मुद्रा कोष को हस्तगत करना चाह रही है. This is in the dream. And in the dream, this Swami says that India is going to collapse economically, and somebody came, the spirit of the king who roams around the palace, says that 1,000 tons of gold is lying buried beneath the palace. Is it true or not?
Continue further. Can I tell you the facts? Should I tell you some more facts?
Yeah, go ahead. You don't deny what I'm saying, no?
I'm completely denying what you're saying because this is absolutely something which the government has not involved itself.
No, did Shobhan Sarkar have a dream?
The government has not involved itself. How can we are not concerned with the dream? The ASI,
sir, but if you are,
ASI has been doing this ongoing process of the ASI.
Sir, but if you are not concerned with the dream, then why has your chief minister sent an emissary holding Minister of State portfolio to hold talks with the person who had the dream?
Yeah, that is what exactly I'm saying.
What?
That is exactly what I'm saying. Therefore, if somebody has gone on his own, it does not mean that the state government has sent it.
So 1 second. Now I know who's Charandas Mahant. Charandas Mahant is also there, right? Charandas Mahant is a union minister.
Now should I? You see.
I'll play out a small comment.
I will answer all these questions to you.
एक छोटा सा comment मैं play कर लेता हूँ.
You give me an opportunity.
I'll give you an opportunity now because you are stonewalling what I'm saying. I will now play the comment of Charandas Mahant, union minister.
I'm going to give you the facts which you are not telling.
Yeah, before that, because you see today, what's happening is the government, people expect the government to respond to a lot of public concerns. Now, Sannyasi had a dream, you're responding to his concern. First, I'll play out what a union minister says about this gold. And viewers, if you think this is bizarre, it is bizarre, but you must hear what the union minister told our reporter Anindo some time back.
The dream of a seer has prompted a bizarre gold rush all across India, and that all prompted by a person by who has written the letter to the Geological Survey of India. Joining is the man, Mr. Mohanty. Sir, tell us why did you write this letter all of a sudden?
भाई मैं एक संत जी से मिलने गया था आशीर्वाद लेने के लिए। उनने मुझे बताया कि मेरे पास ऐसी जानकारी है, यदि आप अपने देश हित में कुछ करना चाहते हैं तो ये प्रधानमंत्री जी को बता दीजिए। मैंने बता दिया, उसका जियोलॉजिकल सर्वे हुआ, जियोलॉजिकल सर्वे में कुछ पाया गया, उसके हिसाब से वहाँ काम चल रहा है।
पर सर एक चिट्ठी, एक सपने पे एक चिट्ठी, कुछ आपको अजीब नहीं लगता है?
चिट्ठी ये आप लोग कह रहे हैं सपना देखा, उनका हो सकता है कोई यंत्र हो, तंत्र हो, मंत्र हो, क्योंकि ये देश भारत है। यहाँ बड़े बड़े शून्य का आविष्कार किसी तंत्र पे हो गया कि सपने?
आपने बोला कि
मैंने नहीं कहा,
सन्यासी ने
मैंने बिल्कुल नहीं कहा कि सपने देखा। मैंने कहा उन्होंने जानकारी दी, मैंने जानकारी प्रधानमंत्री को दी। ये सपना नहीं है, ये सच है, और हकीकत में खुदाई हो रही है, वो भी सच है, जो निकलेगा वो भी सच है।
पर एक सन्यासी को कैसे जानकारी हो सकता है?
किसको?
एक सन्यासी को कैसे?
क्यों नहीं जानकारी होता? सन्यासी मतलब क्या समझते हैं आप? सन्यासी का मतलब क्या समझते हैं? सन्यासी जब ऊपर सबके बारे में जानता है, देश के बारे में जानता है, विदेश के बारे में जानता है, अध्यात्म के बारे में जानता है, भगवान के बारे में जानता है, तो
बट आपको लगता नहीं कि इतने रुपए, इतने 100 करोड़ रुपए खर्च हो रहा है, आखिर में खर्च अगर नहीं मिला कुछ तो इसके
बारे में मुझे कुछ नहीं कहना।
बट इज हु विल टेक द रिस्पांसिबिलिटी सर? सो मच हंड्रेड्स ऑफ करोड्स आर बीइंग
होगा।
बट सर बट
आप लड़ने आए हैं कि क्या करने आए हैं?
बट सर डोंट यू थिंक इट्स वर्थवाइल?
आप रुक जाइए ना, 1 मिनट रुक जाइए। कब से काम कर रहे हैं आप मीडिया में?
बट आस्किंग यू सर व्हाट?
1 मिनट रुक जाओ, आप देखो तो क्या हो रहा है। क्यों परेशान हो रहे हैं आप लोग इतना? क्यों परेशान हो रहे हैं? क्यों परेशान क्यों हो रहे हैं आप?
अच्छा ना, द मिनिस्टर सेज क्यों परेशान हो रहे हैं? सुधीर तेलंग, परेशान इसलिए हो रहे हैं कि जब मुजफ्फरनगर पे दंगा हो रहा था तब तो ना केंद्र सरकार के मंत्री थे, ना ही उनके यूपी के गवर्नमेंट थे. Now the center and state are coming together to follow this up.
Absolutely.
Yeah, Sudhir, what would you say?
First of all, I would like to show you my cartoon for tomorrow.
Yeah.
If you can
Hold it up.
close in on it.
Hold it up.
Zoom in on it. I'm
hold it
just
up.
holding it.
No, hold
Yeah,
it up.
It's holding.
Yeah.
It's up. Can you just come?
Yeah.
Yes. Now this is the sadhu, and ASI and GSI go to the sadhu and they say that wow, Babaji's new list of gold spots. We'll have to excavate Rajpath, Sansad Bhavan, Yamuna Expressway, Chinchpokli Station and Hawa Mahal.
Got it.
Arnab.
Yeah.
You know, I had a dream last night that there are 5,000 tons of gold buried under this very spot where I'm sitting right now in Times Now studio. If this dream was, if this sadhu had this dream, right now this studio would have been dug up and there would have been a lot of police force and everything here. I mean, what kind of a country? I thought that this was the largest democracy in the world, but it looks like the biggest comedy in the world. You know, Baba Shobhan Sarkar, I suggest, should be taken in the government of India. Dr. Manmohan Singh, who is reeling under biggest economic crisis of the century, should appoint Baba Shobhan Sarkar as finance minister of this government, because you can't have a finance minister who can find you 1,000 tons of gold. And Dr. Manmohan Singh is the same fellow who was selling gold during Narasimha Rao's government, 1991.
No, so
Arnab, right now we are living in the golden age of history. This is the golden age of history. Are we living in a dreamland? What kind of a country are we? Is ASI, GSI, these are organizations which are supposed to be professionally
okay, let's
run.
get Sohail
They have a force of hundreds of people who are architects. I mean, what kind of a country are we?
No, government is saying there is belief.
How can
government
ASI
is saying there is
and GSI
belief.
believe as sadhu and start digging up?
Argument is everyone's not like a non-believer. You know, they're believers. There's belief involved, right, Sohail?
I think it's a very, very progressive step to have Shobhan Sarkar dream about gold, because he might also help the CBI locate the missing Colgate files. He might tell us where the notional 2G loss disappeared, where Raja stole the spectrum and kept it in which pocket of his. I think we're living in glorious times. There was the era of Chandragupta, and now there is the era of Manmohan Gupta. You know, the Prime Minister of India has a dolt like that minister, whoever he is, goes to him and says, sir, the sannyasi had a dream. So did I. I've been dreaming of various things. But, you know, I can't tell anyone because I don't want the Archaeological Survey of India to dig me. Now, look at how bizarre this country is. If a normal guy were to watch this television program, he'd think it's not the news hour, it's Comedy Central. I mean, you cannot have in India. I still remember Uttar Pradesh actually gives us the finest comedy. Do you remember when Mayawati launched an investigation into a whole bunch of bees after the bees attacked her rally? Now Uttar Pradesh is sending people to dig for gold. I mean, you know, I know we're a nation of gold diggers, but there's a limit. Here's the reality.
No, what's up, Mr. Jaitley?
No, 1 minute, Mr. Jaitley. I didn't interrupt you. On the news hour, we follow a certain protocol when there is no Congress spokesperson, which is we don't interrupt each other. Okay, and you've got more hair than the other gentleman does. So let me finish. The reality, Mr. Jaitley, is you're absolutely right. The Uttar Pradesh government didn't send your minister. The minister went on his own. You know why?
Who?
He thought that he would pass it. Now look at the beauty of the UP government. They will send a minister or an advisor on dairy development to look for archaeological sites.
Yeah.
What the relationship between milk and gold is, only the Uttar Pradesh government will tell me. Because I haven't been able to figure out what a dairy farmer will do trying to figure out
Mr.
where there's
Jaitley,
gold
what are you
around.
doing, Mr. Jaitley? You realize how embarrassing the situation is getting for you. And we are now told by Sunil Yadav, who has minister rank, that the list of pockets in Kanpur, Bitur, Fatehpur are also there where there are similar treasures which are hidden. And this has been officially conveyed to the Chief Minister for further action. I mean, is there nothing else for your government
Please
to
leave
do?
IIT Kanpur out. There is no gold under IIT Kanpur.
Mr. Jaitley, what's going on? Please, please explain this. Now you can have your point of view. You can counter Sohail and everyone else.
Now let me tell you.
Yes.
Now let me tell you. Now the whole story that you created is absolutely not the correct story, which I'm going to tell you now. The site on which the excavation is going on at the moment belongs to the Archaeological Survey of India, protected under the Archaeological Sites and Remains Act of 1958, which protects and maintains those such kinds of monuments. The state government cannot touch it. The state government of any state cannot touch it. We have no role to play in either excavating or taking a decision with regard to either digging or doing anything.
No, what are you digging for?
Resolution passed.
What are you digging for?
Let me tell you, we are not doing. Let me complete, Arnab. Let me tell you. If you are willing to listen to me, then only I am going to say. Otherwise,
No, but what are you digging for?
We are not doing anything. That's what I'm saying. We are not doing. It is the decision of the government of India between the Geological Survey of India and the Archaeological Survey of India.
Please don't wash your hands off. You have a central minister.
Our role is only to protect the law.
Sir, there is a central minister. There is 1 minute. There is a central minister who says that, yantra, tantra, mantra se baat chalti hai. Right? Then there is a state.
So how do you hold the state government of UP responsible for that?
On this also, are you going to have a center state fight? I mean, for God's sake, what's going on here? Let's get a fourth perspective.
You are telling me that something has been said by a union minister.
Achha, no, you tell me. You tell me. What about who is Sunil Yadav? Who is Sunil Yadav? Who is Sunil Yadav?
I told you that if somebody goes on his own and gives a statement, do you want the entire government to be able to?
No, but he was sent. He was sent by Akhilesh Yadav.
No, Arnab.
He was sent by Akhilesh Yadav to meet the Swami.
What is your source of information?
No, 1 second. Who is Naresh Agarwal? Naresh Agarwal is saying it is our gold.
No.
You haven't found.
Something is happening in Sierra Leone, and if something is happening
Sir, on a serious note,
it means that Akhilesh Yadav is behind it.
No, 1 second. My point is, without your permission, would everybody be digging for gold? You see, Mr. Jaitley, please understand this. No, with this same, no, Mr. Jaitley, on a serious note, Mr. Jaitley, sorry, I am sorry. I am sorry. The credibility of institutions like the Archaeological Survey of India and the Geological Survey of India is also at stake. You need to understand this. The Geological Survey of India.
Require our permission to dig.
Sir, the Geological Survey of India conducted a survey after Sarkar spoke to Union Minister Charandas Mahant. And Charandas Maan says yantra tantra mein.
Between the government of India and Mr. Sarkar. Where
So
does
why are
this-
you
where does
supporting
the
a government at the
coming
center which believes in yantra, tantra and mantra?
No, you see, and you are also saying that we own the
back?
gold.
No, this is not related to that.
Are you for or against
This
the
is not
digging for
related
gold?
to that.
Okay, at least on this take a position. I know you don't take a position on several other issues, but on this, do you believe in the digging for gold? Is it a good or bad thing?
Tell me one thing, when
Yeah.
the digging and the excavation happened in Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, was it wrong? It is the decision of the ASI to decide.
So you are,
It is not for us to, it is not for you and me to decide.
sir, but
Sadhu
you're,
tell-
so one second, Mr. Jaitley, you have sent emissaries to meet the person who had the dream, and your one person is saying this will be used for the development of the
Something
state.
This is a manufactured statement by somebody.
That's
who has
completely
informed you.
wrong,
Put
sir.
this question to me.
Completely wrong. Sunil Yadav has said, and I quote, I met Shobhan Sarkar on Thursday. I told him officially that Uttar Pradesh should be given preference and adequate funds should
No,
be
but
provided for the
does
development of the
anybody
state.
have
The Sadhu agreed.
Mr. Shobhan
The Sadhu
Sarkar
agreed.
Is Shobhan Sarkar living under prohibitory orders?
The
That
Sadhu
nobody can
agreed.
meet him.
The Sadhu agreed and said the treasure is so huge that the whole of Uttar Pradesh can now be developed.
No, but why don't you make Shobhan Sarkar the deputy chairman of India's planning commission?
No, one second. Your question of faith is here. Advocate Sanjeev
No,
Palwekar, are you
finance
amused by what's
minister-
going on?
finance minister-
Are you amused by what's going on? Let's get you into
And me.
this.